Okay, Mad Hatter here with an update. And I bet you can't guess what it is. Yes, I finally received it. I got it from Pariah, as you can see. It's what this is right here. The dummy pickup. I got that today in the mail. I asked them when they went to go build it to make it look used. And it does look used. It's got some crud around the posts there. It's all scratched up. It looks like an actual pickup, but it is the dummy pickup. It looks very nice. I'm pretty pleased with it. They do some really good work there at Pariah. So, and it also came with, of course, it came with the screws to screw it down to the body. And it also came with a sticker. It says what you want, what you need, and what you love. So it came with that. It also came with just another sticker. Pariah custom handcrafted guitar pickups. And I've never seen this before, but it came with a postcard. Greetings from Pasadena, California. So, there it is, Pariah. Nice postage stamp here. And a little note. Yeah. Got that. And that's about it. I was gonna run a contest, but there are just too many rules and regulations. I was gonna have a giveaway on YouTube. I have another one of these right here. It's a custom friction pot, 500K. And I was going to run a giveaway on it. I don't know how to do it. If you guys have any ideas on how to do this without too many complications, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and we'll try to figure something out. But this is what I got. I had two of them. I had one for my Frankenstrat, and I wound up getting another one. I don't know how that happened, but that's it right there. And like I said, go ahead and leave a comment. If there's an easy way to do it without all the complications of the rules and regulations, I'll go ahead and do it. And we'll go from there. Okay. But that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by, giving a look-see, and checking out the dummy pickup from Pariah. And all the other little goodies that came with it. And there will be a question if I can get this out there. There will be a question about the dummy pickup. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. And you guys have a safe evening, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.